Jay, and today we'll be doing a little experiment using beetroot. Now this is a very delicious vegetable, but we will not be eating it today. You know what we'll be doing? We'll be using the juice, the color from inside the beetroot. We'll be using the color of the beetroot to color a Play-Doh. Now we'll be making a Play-Doh with flour and salt, and instead of using water, we'll be using the color in the beetroot for our Play-Doh. How exciting is that? Now, have you ever wondered, is this even possible? Well, if you have, stick around and I'm going to show you how it's done. Now, without further ado, let's begin. You have to wash your hands. I already washed my hands, and we'll need a pair of scissors, the beetroot, flour, salt. So you'll need 1 cup of flour, half a cup of salt, and half a cup of water. We'll also need the blender to blend our beetroot and a bowl to mix. Now, let's begin. So first you want to do is, you want to cut your beetroots and put them in a blender. Now be careful with this because it is very colorful. I'm just going to show you real quick how beautiful the beetroot color is. Do you see that? It's so red. So I'm going to pour that in the blender. Remember, I told you to wash your hands because you might want to taste this a little bit. It's absolutely delicious. So just cut that into the blender. And I'm going to taste this one because it's delicious. Done blending. After blending, it looks like this. Now what you want to do is take your water, put in a little bit of water, pour in a little bit of water, shake, and now we're going to sieve. So we can get the juice out. Put in some more water. Then we'll set that aside. Now, next we mix our dry ingredients. Take the flour. Now for the flour, don't put all of it. Leave a little bit so you can use to mix your salt dough, your Play-Doh, until you get your required consistency. Then you pour in the salt. Not too much. Then you mix. Now, we have our juice from the beetroot. So we'll pour that one in, just a little at a time. This feels so good, by the way. It feels so good. Put in some more. Now this mixture is not to be eaten. It's only for playing. Though now that I think about it, feels like it'll be a great recipe for pancakes. But no, don't eat it. So you see, now it's very sticky and it's turning into a dough with a beautiful bright pink color. So now you want to take your other flour that was left and pour some in so you can mix easily. So you see, it is absolutely possible to mix and create a Play-Doh using natural color from beetroot. You've gotten a pink Play-Doh. Just keep mixing until you get your required consistency. Absolutely beautiful. Now children, it is so relaxing. It feels great. It's an amazing texture to play with. And just like that, you have your Play-Doh. Parents, the importance of getting children involved in the process of extracting color from this fruit right here, from nature, is that it gives them an opportunity to explore and get curious about their environment. You know, like after today, what else would they want to extract color from? You never know. So this is an opportunity for the children to learn through their own experiences, using their hands to work. You know, they start to ask questions and they just get involved in the entire process. I hope you have fun with this activity. Now remember to like and subscribe. Drop any comments. If you have any questions about this activity, drop comments. Now for next time, I'm going to show you what activities you can get your children involved in using the Play-Doh. Okay? See you next time. Bye-bye.